love. It's not for me to say.
Literally 0 spots in my car where I can put this and you'll be able to see the full frame. So that's cool, but hello. Today I'm going, because I quit my old job / kind of got fired because of COVID, it's complicated. I'm going to drop my keys off and our church is having a food drive, so I'm going to bring some donations. Our church and my old job is about 35-40 minutes away. Been jamming to One Direction and drinking my Diet Coke. And we did songs until the best song ever. So you either know or you don't know, but McDonald's Diet Coke is the best Diet Coke there's ever been in the existence of the history of the world. I got my friend Grace some McDonald's. It was really sad because her dog was jumping all on my legs as soon as she opened the doors, and I couldn't even pet her. She couldn't come out to get the dog because we had to be 6 feet away. So the back of my car actually, like, it's really gross. I'm gonna clean that up. My luck is that my parking spot is next to the dumpster. Hey, so cute. Aesthetic AF. I like to treat my car like not as nice, which I should. But yeah. I see all of these people doing like car tours and I'm like, mine looks like this. Ugh. Home now. I'm gonna put my hair extensions in and add a little bit extra makeup. I have the ghettoest system for how I put my hair extensions in and how I style them. I have the Bellamy Khaleesi hair extensions. I really love them. They are 20 inches, 280 grams in dark brown. Not sponsored, totally wish I was. I shouldn't make that disclaimer because I probably have like 4 subscribers right now. Okay, so here's the deal. My hair is literally so thick that this is 280 grams of extensions and it still doesn't blend. Let's talk about this color. During quarantine, I decided that I wanted to go blonde and I bleached my hair like 4 times and toned it and purple shampooed it. Just didn't work. I dyed it back brown and I started wearing my brown hair extensions, but the hairdresser's obviously closed because of quarantine. They don't blend super well, but I've just been curling them. Been fine.
It's not for me to say you love.
I just woke up. I made some coffee, which you guys saw. I put it in this cute little to-go cup. It's just like a tie-dye Starbucks cup. Now I'm going hopefully to the grocery store, but maybe to the dollar store to get some cupcake mix. Because of COVID, like the baking aisle has been almost completely sold out, so hopefully I can track some down. Just really feel like baking today. Update, secured the bag. The grocery store was uber busy, so I just went to the dollar store instead. Also, I live in the smallest town to ever exist. Every time someone walks past my car, drives past my car, and I'm vlogging, they laugh so hard. Hello, just let me create my content, leave me alone. Live tiny hick town. There's 1 high school, there's 2 grocery stores. It's interesting, but I really like it. I just got home, saw that there was an Urban Outfitters package in my mailbox. I was so stoked. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff and it's all shipped separately, but this is what I got in this package. Cute little Rolling Stones tee. I own like 4 shirts that aren't black or white. We're going to make some cupcakes now. I have some rainbow bit. I like to call it funfetti. Does anyone else call it that? I don't know where that came from. My little cheetah print muffin tins and some sprinkles. Okay, I'm realizing as I'm putting this cake batter into the tin that I have way more cake batter than I do muffin trays. I could keep reusing the same one, but I thought this was only gonna make like 12 cupcakes. I'm like a little concerned because I didn't think it was gonna make this many and I don't know what to do with this many cupcakes. Like obviously eat them, but like that's a lot of cupcakes. Because we're ghetto around here. Yeah, I'm scooping the icing into a Ziploc bag and then like cut the corner and I like squeeze it out all nice on top of the cupcake. Always gotta lick the spoon. Babe, say hello to the people.
Hello, people.
So you start in the middle and go in the swirlies. Oh shit.
That one's mine.
I think I'm supposed to wait till these are done cooling to do this.
Like drooping.
Yeah, fell over. I got excited for the vlog. When I put the icing in the bag, it turns out like this. Sometimes they turn out like this. Yeah?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yes.
Good call, baby.
Hello. We're going to pick up my tires now. I think I explained that earlier, that I'm getting my winter tires changed over, even though it's May, because I live in Canada and you just have your winter tires on all year round.
Literally snowed
Pretty
on
much how
Sunday.
it goes. We're gonna go pick up my tires and then bring them back, put them in my car, and drop my car off at the
Garage
shop. So I will update you guys later. Okay, so I'm home now. I dropped my car off and I got my tires and I'm just editing a video. Good morning. I woke up, I got in the shower. But I saw that my friend Emma had sent me a package from Indigo, which if you don't live in Canada is like our equivalent to Barnes & Noble, and we both love that store. Which was so cute. It was a mug and a stress ball and a book. So precious. She's so sweet. So I'm just cleaning the mug and heating up my coffee, speaking of which, because I say dope all the time. That's so cute. So I gave the mug a quick wash because, you know, Corona, you gotta be careful. I'm going to make kind of like the equivalent of little quiches. I'm just gonna take eggs, cut up some peppers and some other little vegetables and put them in the muffin tins and then bake them in the oven. Because I don't want to add extra butter or oils, I just put them in these little muffin tins. I preheat my oven to 350 and they go in for 15 minutes. Hello!
What up?
We are on the way to the dollar store to buy some streamers maybe, but it's raining, and some balloons or something to decorate the car with because it is our nephew's 5th birthday. Yay!
Woo!
This is what it looks like outside currently. And yesterday it was bright and sunny, so welcome to Canada. I will update you guys when we're decorating the car. Totally forgot to update the vlog with clips of the car after we decorated it, but I'll insert the pictures right here. Then we came home, we had some dinner. Now I'm just editing. I filmed a TikTok and I'm going to finish the video for earlier in the week. You'll probably be seeing that before this, but keep an eye out for a Pretty Little Thing haul. It's coming hopefully in the next 3 or 4 days after you see. This will probably be me signing off for the night because I'm just gonna edit, watch some Gossip Girl, take my makeup off, and go to bed. So I will talk to you guys later. I lied. It is now 4:02 a.m. and I am still wide awake editing this vlog. I put up a get ready with me video that was not like the best edited ever. I spent like 4 hours tonight learning how to edit with Final Cut Pro. It's 4 a.m. and I'm still editing the videos so that I can get it up tomorrow night for you guys. So I start inserting it like day by day and editing it up until the day that I'm on, so that at the end of the week I don't have to put it all together. So tomorrow, the last day of this vlog.
It's not for me to say.
Good morning. I just woke up. I'm having some coffee and some dino egg oatmeal because that's what adulting is. I went to bed last night at literally like 5:30. Now it's 1:40. I got another part of my Urban Outfitters package. I'm gonna eat my breakfast, work on the vlog. I'll update you guys later. So I decided that I'm going to have kind of like a spa day, but not. So I'm doing a face mask. I'm gonna redo my self-tan. I'm gonna do my nails, and I'm gonna do a hair mask.
It's
Not necessarily how I explain myself, but then it's fun and y'all's fun.
I have been fake tanning. Fake tan on your face because you wash your face and your hands and your mouth a lot faster than the rest of it. So like every 3 or 4 days, I redo my face. This was this really pretty coral color. Now it looks like this. Shake it up and then I take my tanner, pump it on here, and then I take this little brush and I blend it down my hand. Then my hands look like this right now. Typically, I think you're supposed to let this develop for 7 hours. I normally leave it on overnight because it's just my hands and my face. I'm going to wash it off in about an hour. So I did a face mask, I did my eyebrows, I did my nails. I was gonna do a hair mask, but then I decided not to because I'm probably gonna dye my hair tomorrow or dyeing Hunter's hair, hopefully soon.
Waiting for the bleach to come in.
I'll be bleaching my fiance's hair video
Justin
Very
Bieber
excited.
2.0.
I'm wearing this t-shirt that I showed earlier in the vlog, and my jeans are from Guess, and my sunglasses are from Urban.
It's cute as hell.
No, tell the people about your outfit.
A rip and dip sweater, oversized thrifted long sleeve. Really skater boy wannabe hat. Same pair of Hollister shorts that I've been wearing for like also 4 years.
We're just gonna go pick up my tires now, and I will update you guys in a little bit.
Peace out.
Hello, I forgot to update the vlog. So we ended up going to pick up my car tires. Our youth kids were having a Netflix party youth night, so we watched Incredibles 2 together and made dinner.
It's not for me to say you love.
Go with the brother, boo, you know how we do.
It's
Called it a night. Hunter went home and I watched some Gossip Girl and fell asleep. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that. It's a long weekend in Canada, so people are having fireworks outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I will see you next time.